All right, we're back. We are at the Portage River Walk. This is where we left you hanging last time. Sorry about the technical difficulties. We actually had a whole video and everything, and then, well, something happened. Something that the wife did caused us not to be able to post the video. But hey, that's all right. Anyways, we're back. So, today is January 25th, 2020. And we got a notice on the Facebook page that they installed new barriers due to more erosion at the Portage River Walk. So I got my wifey, daughter, and her friend Lily with us today. Alright. Little nippy outside. We got a whoa. Looks like the waves came up over this last night, honey. Look at that, because that wasn't there when we were here the other day. None of this was here.
If that's gotten deeper, I bet.
Yeah.
No, that crack.
Yeah, it is. Look, it broke completely off. Okay, now this was just sunk in yesterday, and or not yesterday, but day before yesterday. And this right here was just a crack. And that was just a crack. But you can see how it's getting washed out. The waves are coming up over the break wall, and it's washing out the land that's underneath this, or the sand, I should say. The sand.
Are you going over there again? Put your foot down? You did last time.
Yeah, so last time, ooh, there's not a barrier here. Just give you
There's a barrier.
an idea how deep that is.
Put your leg down there. Again.
I'm gonna put my leg down here, let her take a picture. So it's up to my calf. It's probably 10 inches, 10-inch drop, but that's definitely gonna fall. So we got a northwest wind today, and it's only blowing maybe, I don't know, 15 mile an hour, if that. You have to go back to some of my other videos and see exactly what this used to look like. So in my previous video, when last time we was here? November? December?
No, we were here January 8th.
The 8th of January?
Yep.
8th of January, that piece of rebar was right at the edge of the bank. And that sidewalk was hanging off the edge. And it's gone. So the bank has probably lost 10 foot in a couple of weeks.
When we were here and you messed up the recording last week.
And I messed up the recording?
I did.
Who messed up the recording? Who messed up the recording?
Anyway, that rebar was in the freaking sand. It is not now.
Yeah, it's not in the sand, it's in the water now. Yeah, so the north wind is pushing the water more higher towards the shore.
That's crazy that thing, or the ice is right there, that circle thing, is what fell 2 years ago, and how far the water has came in.
Right. So that thing right there, see how it's got like a little curve to it? That is one of these that we're standing on right now, out in the water. And it used to have access to the beach. And that right there is another one that used to be up here off of this.
Right where it's at. Literally.
Yeah, well, it used to be up, and now it's in the water because of the because the dune washed away. Oh, damn, it's cold. My hand's shaking. I took my glove off to get a good view. I'm not going to climb that this time because it was slick and iffy, but I will go around since there's a trail right here.
Are you going up there, right there?
Yeah. It's gonna get shaky. That's my four-wheel drive truck sound going up a hill. All right. So this bench used to sit out there. They brought it in, they put this gate up. Area closed. Somebody really stretched that out because last time it was completely closed. So somebody walked out there like an idiot. Yeah.
Yeah. That used to be the access to get down to the beach.
Yeah.
Like 3 years ago.
Yeah.
Because this was blocked off.
Yeah, I know.
After I took it off.
So, whew, after this video, hopefully I'll be able to edit in some aerial shots from a buddy of mine that does drone photography. Hopefully that works out.
Hey, look at that! There's a thing out there on this walking.
Yeah.
This thing almost went off the deep end.
Yeah, I know. There's a guy out there walking the shoreline. Hopefully he's a ranger. I think they went back to the car. They got code.
Well, they don't have a key to get in.
Well, where'd they go then?
Probably 5 or 10.
Yeah. So here's the pond. It was just a hole from where they dug out the sand dune to build up this area so they could put the pavilion and stuff up here. It was a really nice park at one time, but it's slowly fading away, going back to nature, as they say. And I am going back home. So
That's where our kids are.
they went in the pavilion?
Yeah.
Alright.
Come on, girls.
So I will see you back at home.